Well, this is the second year for Europe Meets Americas, and we understand what's trying to be achieved. We know that last year was very much the first year, and there was a lot of things that possibly could have been done better, and we hope that in the second year we'll see improvements, and in the third year going forward. I think everything that we've read from all of the studies that have been done suggests that there is an opportunity for providing that kind of hub between Europe and Latin America. So there are opportunities there. It's just a question, I think one of the challenges that has been in the past faced is follow-up. That you create these opportunities, you put people together, but there has to be very strong follow-up to make sure that the event is worthwhile. And I think last year that was a bit of a challenge, and we hope that won't be the case this year. If you can establish, for example, you can establish a hub where you're going to get visitors, business people primarily coming in from Europe and business people coming in from Latin America, those are the kind of premium customers that we're looking for, the ones who are going to stay in the more expensive hotels, the ones who are going to eat in our restaurants, the ones who may do some shopping while they're here. And that's exactly the kind of customer we're looking for. So if you can establish that kind of logistical hub, if you like, by being sufficiently attractive for visitors from both of those continents to come in, then it's obviously going to be of value to the tourism sector and to the hotels. Well, sustainability takes various aspects. I mean, there's the immediate one that most people understand, which is the idea of the impact on the environment. And clearly, for example, our beaches are a prime reason why visitors come here. And therefore, if our tourism is going to be sustainable, we have to make sure that we take care of our beaches. And I'm not just talking about erosion, physical erosion, I'm just talking about what happens on those beaches, which is why we're very, very anxiously looking forward to the new beach policy, which is going to be presented by the government in the next little while, because there's a general sense that things are getting out of control on the beaches, and that we need to get back control over that particular aspect of what we offer. And sustainability means addressing those on a long-term basis. It's not short-term solutions, it's long-term solutions. But sustainability also covers a number of other different areas. You have to have a sustainable society. You don't want a society which is having all kinds of strife or crime or issues like that, because once you get into that, then of course it's going to damage the viability or sustainability of your tourism sector. And then there's financial sustainability. Economically, businesses have to be able to succeed. They have to be able to make sufficient money whereby they can pay their employees and their management good money, but they also have to make enough money to reinvest and continue to upgrade, because it's a very competitive environment. So if your business is going to be sustainable, you have to make sure that it's economically viable. So there's all kinds of aspects of sustainability which are very important. And that's why a conference such as this is important, because it addresses all of those kinds of topics.